are in the 3rd grade MyMath book, pages 79 and 80 today. Essential question, how can place value help me add larger numbers? So, math in my world, example 1. 151 seats, 128 seats. How many seats are in the 2 train cars? So we have 158 plus 128. We could say 151 plus 128. 151 is equal to 100 plus 50 plus 1. So 128 is equal to 100 plus 20 plus 8. This is just breaking apart the number into hundreds, tens, and ones. Now when we add, we have 1 plus 8 is 9. 50 plus 20 is 70. And 100 plus 100 is 200. And then we put them all together, and we have 279. 279. So there are 279 seats in the 2 train cars. So it's easy to make 100 from the numbers that have 98 or 99. If you have 134 and you subtract 1, we have 133. 99, if we add 1, we get 100. So we're just shifting this 1 over to this number here so we can have this be 100. It's easy because we're adding, so we could easily add this number first and have 133 plus 100. So 133 plus 100 is 233. So 134 plus 99 is 233. You just take this number and kind of shift it over. Let's try it. Make either add into 10, such as 10, 20, 30, and so on. These numbers make it easier to add mentally. So we're going to shift some numbers over. If you add on one side, then we're going to add on the other side to make it even. Or subtract on the top. We're going to subtract right here, or add on this one. So there are 37 students from the grade 3A and 25 students from the grade 3B on the bus. How many students are on the bus? Use mental math to find 37 plus 25. So we want to make a number that's 10, 20, 30, or so on. So if we have 25 and we add 5 to that, then we'll get 30. And to add 5 to this, we're going to take that 5 from this number. 37 minus 5 is 32. So now we can add these a little easier. 32 plus 30 is 32 plus 30 is 62. So there are 62. It's just a shift on the number line, really. So if I was to change this 37 to 40, if I want to move that way instead, I'm going to add 3 to this, so I'm going to take 3 away from here. So that becomes 40, and then if you take 3 from 25, it becomes 22. So 40 plus 22 is still 62. So either way, we still have 62 students on the bus. Either way you shift it. So break apart the add-ins to add mentally. 79 equals 70 plus 9. 54 equals 50 plus 4. Now, if you add these, 9 plus 4 is 13, and 70 plus 50 is 120. Now, to do 120 plus 13, we have to see there's the ones. So there's 3 in the ones place. Tens, there's 1 10, there's 2 10s, so there's 3 10s, and there's still 100, so it is 133. Make a 10 to add mentally. 64 plus 8. So if I want to make this 8 turn into a 10, I'm going to add 2, and I have 10. Then I'm going to take that 2 away from this number. So 64 minus 2 is 62, plus 10 is 72.